these are rare bikes. I think they only sent like 200 or 250 to the US.
Hell yeah. Touching semi. Oh yeah, man. Thank you. And we got an insane turnout. This is awesome.
This was cool.
Hell yeah.
This is the highlight of my year right here. At least one pull.
Hey, let's do it, man. We got to. You gonna get the hell out of me, but we'll do what we got to, man.
Bro, come on, bro. Like off the dig, bro. You see me?
Nah, hell no, no. No, you ain't hustling me, man. No, it's all, cause you gonna do it. It's gonna be perfect the one time you race me. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, man.
That bike sounds so fucking good.
I appreciate it, bro, for real, man.
It's the best sounding bike, period.
It's not the fastest one, but I'll take that. I'll take that. All right, guys. So we're headed back. Well, I'm headed back because I know this camera angle right now is terrible with this helmet. So I'm gonna go switch helmets for you guys, and then I'm gonna meet up with everyone at the pizza night. Wow, look at this beautiful view, man. Wow. Uh-oh. Everyone good? That Kudus stops at the same turn where Tanner wrecked his bike. Woo. Oh sh! Worst place to stop. Hey, you know why? You know why? You know why? Hey, does this look familiar? Do you remember this? From what?
Whenever I wrecked.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Girl.
Talk to him, couldn't? Hey, you need gas?
Oh man, let's go. This is about to be a wild night. We just getting started. That's the crazy part, man. 675 looking clean. Chicks are 1,000 wow out here looking clean. The ZX6R looking right. Sheesh.
Man, look at this freaking lineup out here, man. What a night we're about to have. And like I said, we're just getting started. That's the crazy part. We are just getting started, baby. Insane lineup of bikes. It's been a good day so far. We've been up for like 13, 14 hours. Running off a couple hours of sleep, but it's worth it, man. Shout out to everyone that's come out, man. I've had such a great time meeting and interacting with you guys, man. Let me hear them. Hell yeah. You can't beat it, man. Can't beat it. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. If this ain't epic, I don't know what is, man. Holy cow. Oh snap. I love that everyone's still here riding with us, man. This is insane. Touching semis. You touching the butt. They touching the butt. If you don't get that reference, we can't be friends.
Don't touch the butt. Nemo!
You touched the butt.
He just farted? I think he just farted. This guy, man. Oh yeah, man. Thank you. Oh yeah. Easy. Alright, so we are headed to the pizza night. We had to come back and I switched my clear visor. Hopefully this angle is a little bit better from the last videos with my Shoei where my mount broke, my J-hook, and I don't have another one with me. So we switched helmets. The audio isn't as good in this helmet as it is in my Shoei. A lot of you ask why I wear my Shoei when the Pista is better looking. Yes, I agree, the Pista is much better looking, but the audio in this helmet is absolute garbage. So I'm not gonna do too much talking as we ride. We got a 20-minute ride over. We got Tanner over here on his R6. Y'all ain't new to this. Rain's sitting pretty, boy. Everyone's already over there, so let's go ahead and link up with the squad. 3,200 miles on rain. That's what I'm talking about, boy. We made it to the bike night. It's always the Challenger, man. And we got an insane turnout. This is awesome, man. This is what's up. Hell yeah. Look at all these beautiful bikes. They don't get much better than this. What's good?
It's 21 and up only. So a lot of us have kids, so we're gonna dip out.
Damn. They got a Bentley out here. I don't know what this is. I appreciate it. An Aprilia V60. I've never seen one of these before. That's nice, man. That's what's up. Hey, yeah, man. It's a nice bike.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah, we made it.
You had an alarm you set off?
No, I set one off? I didn't even hear it. Alright, so a lot of guys just left, but I'll show you what we have left of the FastLaneD gang out here. It's been a long day. We started at, what was that, 11 a.m.? It's 9 p.m. We're at the pizza place. They're already acting a fool already, man. Here, let me flip it all around. Gang, gang, boy. Hell yeah. They out here, man. I appreciate y'all coming. Y'all head out?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate y'all coming again, man.
The invite.
Hey, always, man.
This was cool.
Hell yeah.
This is the highlight of my year right now.
I love that, man. I love that. Hell yeah.
This was it.
Hell yeah, bro. Yep. It's dope. You gotta come back. We'll do more of this for sure. And now, yeah, because now the dealership has seen it and see how many people come out. The more support we get, the more things we can do. So the more we can give away and everything, man. So
I'm definitely about to be supporting you.
Hey, I appreciate that, man. I try to take it somewhat easy, man. I'm just kidding. No, we was getting it today. We was going crazy on the bikes today, man. It was fun though. Everyone made it here safely too. That's the most important part, man. So that was good. Alright, I'll show y'all what we got left. The people have been rolling out, but it's like a little Harley out there, CBR1000. Shout out to my old one. I had one just like this back in the day. Love that bike. We got a ZX10r, wow. The wheelie king from the Harley. He's out of here, man. That thing's hard. Sam Biddy. Gang, gang. He invented the F, by the way. I gotta give him his credit, man. He invented the F. Let's go. Hey, you want to shout anything out?
Follow me on Instagram.
There we go.
ZX6R.
There we go. ZX6R, man. Y'all go check him out. Show him some love, man. And then we got Kudus and Jason. Triple R. It's crazy to have two in one spot, man. These are rare bikes. I think they only sent like 200 or 250 to the US. So to have two of them out here is pretty sick. And then Kudus's. These bikes fast as hell, man. It's insane. Another beautiful 750 out here. A V2. You got a Streetfighter out here sitting pretty. Beautiful S1K. This thing's done upright as well. Hell yeah. I'm about to go grab some food real quick. I haven't eaten all day. See what they got in there. Wait all the way up in a second. Damn, yep. I can't imagine what the cars were thinking. 30 bikes is fuel. Like, what the f? Yeah.
All I know is if that was me in one of those cars, I'd be busting.
Oh, I'd be hype as